So from this broker trade on your screen right here, which is Plexi Trade, you'll be getting a $50 no deposit bonus, which you'll be using to compete with other contenders from right now. So have this in mind. From right now, you're seeing this video till the 14th of January 2025. That's when you can join the competition. So straight to business, if you just opening an account with them, you click on open live account, and then it takes you to where you register and you put in your details. But if not, you can just put in your login details right here and password. You put in your Gmail and password and click on remember me and click on login. So from there, it brings you into the site where you see I've gotten mine. So I started trading like 2 days ago. So the first thing you need to do is to click on these three lines showing up here, and then it brings the options where you see competition showing on your screen. You see this competition, you click on competition and it takes you to this part where you see the trading competition. So this one is one which just ended like January 11. That's we should be ending today, which is January 11. And this one, when you go to this part, you click on enter competition and immediately you'll be credited with the $50 deposit bonus. But first of all, make sure you get verified. Make sure you get verified. It doesn't take much time before the verify. Within an hour, you get verified once you submit your details. So once you get verified, you click on enter competition. So you'll be credited with $50 deposit. And from there, you can see the rules. You click on rules, you click on view price to see the price for the first and second, third, fourth, fifth. So you can see train on your screen. And for the rules, you can see them showing on the screen. They are very, very easy. So you cannot get disqualified. You just have to blow up the account and then you're done with it. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video to others so that they can also benefit on how to make money online. Have a good day.